Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles on Roblox Studio. First, you will need an active Roblox group. Navigate to the Roblox website and click Create Group under the Groups section. Give your group a unique name and a brief description. You can also upload an emblem. Decide if your group will be public or private, then click Create to finalize your new group. This is the essential first step. Once your group is established, go to its page and click the three dots, then select Configure Group. On the left-hand menu, choose the Roles tab. Here, you can create new roles by clicking Create Role. Give each role a distinct name, like Member or Admin, and assign a rank number between 1 and 255. Higher numbers indicate more authority. After creating your roles, it's time to define their permissions. Within the Roles tab, select a role and customize what members with that rank can do. You can allow them to post on the group wall, view audit logs, or even spend group funds. To assign roles, go to the Members tab, find a member, and use the drop-down menu to select their new rank. For optimal group management, establish a clear hierarchy with your roles. Regularly review and update permissions to ensure they align with your group's needs. You might consider creating a guest role for new members with limited access, or a moderator role with specific administrative powers. Remember, a group can have up to 255 unique roles, offering great flexibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.